Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you haven't been here before, today what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a look with the Nice palette by BH Cosmetics. And that's what it looks like. It's got a mirror in it. It's small pans. It's a small palette with small pans, but it's kind of a more neutral color story with some maroons and navy blue and some bronzes and golds. So we're going to go into this and see what kind of look we can make, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. Now I have done my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, this one that you get for $2, and it's shade Deep Brown. And I prime my eyes as usual with the ColourPop Creme Shadow in Laurel. And I'm going to go ahead and take my BK Beauty 202 brush, the fluffy taper brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Bow right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. These pans are just big enough to fit your brush in, so that's how little they are. Now I'm going to take Brandy right there, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye using a Sigma E27. It's just a little bit smaller than the E25. Alright, now I'm taking the Alter Ego number 6 brush, and I'm going to go into Cider up here. And I'm going to put that in the other half, the inner half of my eye. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water and just going to clean up any fallout in my edges. Taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. And I'm going to dot that on my face. I really like this because it hydrates, but it also keeps my makeup stuck on. Kind of holds down my makeup. I'm taking the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Mont Blanc Light 2. And I love this, just the sheer finish of it. And also it's really good underneath the mask. It doesn't transfer as much as some other foundations. It's my new favorite, that, and then Dose of Colors I really like. Using my Sigma Multitasker brush to blend it out. I'm taking the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 08 Light. I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. Using my concealer brush to blend it out. Taking the number 7 powder in light just to set that concealer. And I'm taking the Butter Bronzer in shade Bronzer. I'm going to use that to warm up the face. Going under my chin, going down my neck. Alright, I'm taking the e.l.f. Face Duo in Leche. Use that to put some color on my cheeks. And I'm going to take that highlight and use the highlight on my face as well. Gonna start in my cheekbones. My brow. My other brow, my nose, Cupid bow, and the chin. Camera cut off, so I don't know what you guys missed, but I highlighted my face, and now I'm going back into the Nice palette, and I'm going to take Brandy again, and I'm going to put that on the outer third of my eye. Alright, and now I'm going to take this Shimmer Berry up here, and I'm going to put that in on the other half of my lower lid. I'm just going to take Cider again and put that as my inner corner highlight. I was going to use Snowball, but I think it's a little, I want something that's not as light. I think this will be perfect. Just wrapping it around. I'm gonna hop off here, put on my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, for the lips, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in Settle for More. Kind of a plummy color. I'm gonna put that on my lips. I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And I'm just going to spray my face. And this is also good to help with wearing a mask. Alright, well this is the final look using the BH Cosmetics Nice palette. I really like this palette. Y'all know that I love BH Cosmetics formula, but I really love the tones in here. It matches my sweater really nice. I think I got a good matchy going on. But these plummy colors, the maroons, and this beautiful like navy blue, I'm excited to keep playing with this and get some more kind of holiday neutral looks. I really love this shimmer, the cider shimmer that I got on my inner corner. It's really beautiful, and the berry shimmer that's on my lower lash line are really pretty. And the mattes are, the matte that I use, or the mattes, I use 2 mattes, are really beautiful too. So kind of want to use this sprinkle shade next. It looks really pretty. But I would recommend, if you're looking into this palette, I think that it's a great palette. I think that anything BH Cosmetics is a winner in my book. Everything that they've made recently is really good. So this is no different. And I actually got a few more palettes that we're going to be doing. I'm going to try to get to them as soon as possible. I just got a lot going on right now. That's why I didn't film yesterday. I've kind of been filming off and on because there's just a lot going on right now. But I got the new Juvia's Place palettes that we're going to use. And I also have some Alien Cosmetics palettes that for us to use as well. So got quite a bit of videos planned, and I'm really excited about. So just keep your eye out, because like I said, I got a lot going on, so I might not be able to film every single day, but I'm going to try to, and try to get these up for you guys so y'all can see these palettes, see how they perform in case you're interested in them. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the look. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.